There's one place you can fly a drone where all FAA drone rules don't apply. No airspace authorization, no drone registration, you don't need Part 107 or trust, and yes, you can even fly over people. That place is indoors. Let me explain. FAA drone rules apply to the National Airspace System, which basically means outdoor airspace. If you're flying inside a building, warehouse, gym, arena, convention center, or even inside your own house, you're not operating in the airspace the FAA regulates. Essentially, indoors means anywhere that has four walls and a roof where there's no option for the drone to drift off into outdoor airspace. So if someone hires you to film an indoor real estate property, fly through a warehouse, capture an indoor event, or shoot an FPV-style tour inside a building, the FAA's Part 107 rules do not apply to that flight, and you wouldn't even need to be Part 107 certified. But again, this is strictly for indoor purposes only. For example, if you also fly outdoors for commercial reasons, then you would need your Part 107 certification, register your drone, etc. And for indoors, it's not like all laws disappear. You of course would still need permission from the property owner or whoever controls the building, and still need to factor in people, privacy, insurance, damage, safety, and common sense. Because as you can imagine, flying a drone indoors can get tricky. One of the biggest obstacles, no pun intended, is that your drone may not have GPS, plus the sensors can start to freak out since everything is usually close by. This means that when you let go of the sticks, there's a good chance the drone will not stop like it usually does while outdoors. It might keep drifting in whatever direction it was moving. So you must constantly nudge the sticks in the opposite direction to keep it still. Honestly, every time I've flown my Air 2S indoors, even to just let it hover, it sounds like it's having a panic attack. And on top of all the beeping, it's easy to forget how loud these drones can be when they're in an enclosed environment and very close to you. So there's just a lot of noises happening. Plus, not only am I scared something will happen to the drone, but I'm worried that it could scratch the walls or break something else. So if you are flying indoors, use the right drone for the job. A small Cinewhoop or lightweight drone with prop guards is usually a much better choice than bringing a larger Mavic-style drone into a tight space. Examples could be custom-built FPV drones, the DJI Neo or Avata series, the DJI Flip, or honestly, any kind of small toy drone that has prop guards. If you are using a larger DJI drone, or something similar in size, I'd recommend playing around with the obstacle avoidance settings. Again, because everything is pretty close by, the drone will be beeping like crazy, and it might not even be able to move around that much because it thinks there's obstacles in all directions. The simplest way to avoid this is to turn off obstacle avoidance. The con of that idea is that the drone won't stop if it's too close to a wall, so fly at your own risk. I'd recommend doing a slow walkthrough first to look for ceiling fans, wires, windows, or anything else hanging around. It usually helps to keep your movements slow and controlled if you can, and be cautious of people, pets, or walls. So yes, flying indoors is one of the rare situations where FAA drone rules don't apply, but you're still responsible for flying safely, getting permission, and not causing damage. Let us know in the comments if you've ever flown indoors before and what your experience was like. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.